ton?
$2,199.
Is this the single filament?
Yeah.
Okay. And is it out of the box?
Yeah. Yeah, you take it out of the box. It took me 20 minutes to set this thing up and get it printed.
Thanks.
There has been a wait time.
Sunscreen. It's making a nut and bolt. So all the Makerbots have heated platens?
I'm sorry?
Do they all have heated platens?
No, this one is not. This one is acrylic.
Okay.
Because this machine is optimized for PLA plastic, so PLA and acrylic goes really well together.
Oh, okay.
With ABS, you need a heated glue platform, and that's for Replicator 2X.
And that's why I'm not smelling it, because it's PLA. What's PLA stand for?
Polylactic acid, so that's a biodegradable material. It's corn-based.
Is it a liquid?
Do we know what the process?
Degrees Celsius.
230. Okay.
Yeah, and just extrudes. It's basically like a hot glue gun.
Right.
So it builds like layer.
And on with the ABS plastic, what's the temperature it goes to?
It's a similar temperature.
Why am I not smelling it?
It's a different material. This one is corn-based, so it's...
Oh, it just doesn't have the smell, but it gets as hot. It gets as hot.
Yeah.
And is there any difference between the PLA and the ABS with regard to what you might make with it, detail and stuff like that?
Well,
accuracy.
With ABS, you can drill in it. You can smear it with acetone, and you can do whatever. It's pretty flexible material. With PLA, it's more brittle.
It's more what?
It's more brittle.
Brittle.
And you can still if you want to drill in it, it can crack.
It can contract.
Yeah.
Oh. So you're making a nut and bolt, but you might not really use that because of the brittleness? It might be more for decoration?
It depends.
Huh?
It depends. What are you going to use it for?
I don't know. Put two pieces of wood together.
Right. Something like that.
So would that be okay?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
You can make any shape.
Yeah. All right.
Pretty strong material.
Depends on what the wood is being used for,
Yeah.
right?
If you want to
if it's for a bed, you won't do it. But if it's for
if you want to print or wrench and try to change your tire or something,
then that won't work.
Great.
Yeah, right. Okay. So this is the city.
The thing is, we didn't bring any tools.
What's going on over there? Oh.
Yeah, we did this the not smart way, which is bring no tools and have to use the tape with almost break your build plate every time too.
You could make your model for your custom home, right?
I'm sorry?
You could make your model for your custom home. And this is...
I convinced, so I work at Intel, and I convinced the lab to buy one of these guys.
Oh, nice.
And we've got a lot of use out of this guy.
Yes.
Were these done by one printer, this whole thing?
Yes, so we print multiple pieces and it was snapped together.
Oh, it snaps together.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's cool. Little hand, robotic hand.
Scale this guy, the nut.